Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to this demo for Vidalicious. This is your dashboard and you can see how many videos you have, campaigns, views, contacts and so on, and leads as well. So if we want to create a video on Vidalicious, what we do is go to videos. You can see your existing ones here. If you want to be creating one, you go to here. We're not going to be creating a brand new one from scratch because it takes a few minutes for it to render. So we're not going to be doing that. You just browse from your computer, and also you can be adding from YouTube and other locations as well. You can be importing from YouTube, and you can be capturing screen, could be doing it from the camera and so on. So we're not going to be doing that just now, and I'm just going to go back on myself here and just bear with me while I get back to the dashboard and show you how these videos work. So we're back in the dashboard and I'm going to go to videos and I'm going to edit an existing one that we have, and it's a toilet seat fitting demo which takes the user back to the Amazon store that we have. And just bear with me here for 1 minute. Just going to click on that, one tick. Okay, so to edit it you need to go here, and first of all, you can view the actual video. Let me just show you that. And down here, you've got ability to download a video, and you can shop now as well. And that takes you to an Amazon affiliate link. If you want, let me just go back. Just bear with me here. We go back. Okay, so as you can see, you can view, edit, duplicate, copy the link in the thumbnail, copy the URL, and clear the report data. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to edit this video. Just bear with me while it loads up. And here we are. So the first thing you can do is you can trim the video. You can choose, that's really good. You can choose the length of it. That's really good for things like shorts, or if you just have bits in the beginning or the middle or the end that you don't want to be showing. And then so you can decide on when to start and when to finish for your new video, and then you apply the changes. In terms of thumbnail, you can choose a thumbnail. So what you do,
introducing the Legend Soft Close Easy Fit Toilet Seat.
Here we go. So we just get to the right frame that we want, and then what we can do is use the current frame, or we can upload a new one, and then we set the thumbnail like that. So you do that. That gets you the thumbnail sorted. That takes a little couple of, maybe a minute or two to set up. Don't worry about that. You can see, actually you can't see because it's just outside. But here we are. So that's chosen that bit. You can always copy the URL, by the way, and then the next thing we can do is design. So we can design the player first of all. So that's the player just there. So you can choose the color, and you get the background image as well if you want. So you can search for one, and this is interconnected with a whole bunch of images, and that basically just gets you the kind of entire frame designed here. And you can set it as default for the whole videos that you have. And also we can design the CTA. So as you've seen previously, there was a call to action below. In fact, what I'll do is just show you that again. And there's a little call to action. You can download the video, you can shop now, which we've seen how to do that. You can basically design the color. You can obviously put the sound up if we want. And so you can do all of that. Just get rid of this. And then in terms of details, just one important thing. I'm going to go into assets in just a minute, because this is how you set the call to actions, the templates, and the form. So I'll show you how that works in just a minute. But in terms of details, that's your description just there. So if we were to, you can just type, you can just add whatever you want. Check it out. And then you can call to action. You need to be, what we did is we've added shop now. So the call to action is done through the asset. So you can choose the call to action here, or the template. So you can create a new CTA, you can edit existing ones. And each of these is going to have the name, the type, which is a URL, and the action. So if you want to see what that looks like, name, call to action, URL, so you can choose from all of them. And that's the link that we put in there. It can either be open in a new tab, same window. You have a button text, which is shop now, whatever. You can choose from all of these, and a description. And then you save the changes, and that's that. So you need to be creating it in assets first. And what we're going to be doing now is, let's just go to the videos. Again, in fact, what I'll do is I'll just go back to here, so we can continue with the demo, just to show you how it works. Okay, so we've had a look at the design, we've had a look at the details. You got the call to action. You can embed a call to action. You can either have a form call to action, buy button call to action, calendar, or chat. So all of these you can create, and they would all be created inside the assets here. Or you can even have a playlist as well added into there. And as you can see, you can have multiple videos as well. So that means that you can have an outro video that you can use on several videos. You can have display animated thumbnail as well, which you need to upload, autoplay the video, add exit intent module, emoji, Facebook comment widget, disable tracking, schedule auto delete, allow video download, display. So if we have a little play with that, well, actually we don't want to be auto deleting it, but for example, this and this and this. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this was added here. So we've got this pop-up here, which I've just added. So I can close it, and you can see down here we got various emojis. So basically all you need to do is just add it, and here we go, that's your Facebook widget. So all you need to do is just add it in here, and it automatically shows in the video. Then we have the analytics. You can see the click rates, watch rates, CTA, click rates, call rates, and so on, reaction, and everything else that you need. And you have video replies as well. So this is where people can actually reply to the video, and you can set the privacy as well. Now I just want to cover on this section here, which is connection. So what you can do is literally mail or SMS this video onto different contacts. So what you need to do is go to contacts, add new one, and then you can add first name, mobile, or whatever, submit, and then that's going to be interconnected to be able to send it out. You can do it with companies as well. And you can see, you can just add a table here, create new, and you can also do it with tags. So we can add a new tag, and this is to enable us to find people, companies, names, and tag them. So that's that. There's also an automation section here, so you can auto email, auto SMS, and workflow. So if I, for example, go into auto mail and create new, that just means that we can mail. So we give it a name, campaign broadcast provider, which is going to be with the integration. So we can integrate it with various broadcast providers. From name, subject, and save as draft, save and continue. So you just choose whichever video you want, and that's going to send it out in the form of emails and SMSs. And so that's automation here, and you can do the same with the SMS. Campaign title, sender, text, and then choose your video. So that's that. And then we have integration. And there's a lot of integrations here. So you can do it with, you can integrate with it. We can see all of them here. I mean, there's a lot of them here. So let's not go through the entire list, but there's quite a few large autoresponders. And we have CRM systems and so on. So that's going to make it a lot easier for you to send straight from the dashboard here. And then we have code redemption. And this is basically for promo. So if you're going to be doing a shopping campaign, you just add your promo code and then redeem. And then that's going to enable people to make the purchasing activity from your call to action. API tokens. So you can create new tokens, and that's for various integration. That's for more advanced integrations. And then you can see here security, which is if you want to change your password, and you can set up a 2-factor authentication. And referrals, which this is where people actually, if they are being referred to Vidalicious, then they would be listed on here, and then it would be integrated with your call to actions and with the rest of the integrations that you have. And we should be able to tag them as well. So hopefully you can see the power of this. These are all upsells, agency, reseller, and white label. Hopefully you can see the power of this video creator. It not just enables you to create videos with call to actions, but also it enables you to literally generate sales from your dashboard. It's all integrated with your CRMs and your autoresponders, and it's an amazing list building tool as well that's going to be generating you sales. Thank you very much for listening, and that's it for me. Hopefully you've enjoyed this demo. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside. One thing I also wanted to mention is the fact that these videos are really well suited for you to be selling that as a service to your customers. So lots of local businesses, they just don't know where to start with this kind of service. So it's a really good system for us to go out and offer these services to local businesses or just to our customers, and then charge them either a monthly referral fee or even per video, but just a very powerful way to make money selling these services. Thanks very much for listening, and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Click the link below for more info.